All right, here's a little bit of detail about those lights behind the grill as I was putting them in here. And that's just some aluminum we cut to fit. You can see here we've got a slight bend on that aluminum. Not a whole lot, just a little bit of a dog leg right there on it. We were able to mount the mpower. You can mount anything you want there. Really doesn't make a difference. That piece of aluminum is about 6.5 inches. Right over on this side, you can see the same thing. We used pre-drilled and used some stainless steel screws. Painted it all up nice and black, hit our wiring, so it's gonna poke right out there through the grill and look great. Let me put the grill back, and there we go. You can see there, they're pretty much centered in the opening there in the grill. That's what I was going for. And the grill can be removed without the lights being removed. The lights stay permanent on the truck. I'll attach a video with them flashing as soon as I'm all done wiring. I know I couldn't wait either, so I temp wired it to the battery for y'all. There's your end result. Patterns, inner cycle, alternate color, and phase on 2 of the lights.